It's the 1st of March. It's Friday. And these two are playing with their wood. Right, Kita?
Keep that pressure.
It smells like sawdust in here. Oh, that don't sound good.
That's fine. That's fine.
So you guys are creating
magic.
Oh.
It's magic.
You bought wood. Where did you buy the wood from? Fleet Farm?
Yeah, Farm and Fleet.
And now you're creating
a subwoofer box. Subwoofer.
Does anybody else just have this stuff done in the middle of their great room?
Okay.
It's a great room to build a box in, I guess.
No, this way, dog. Like this.
You're gonna hurt me. Dude, this is really big. This is gonna fit in the back of your seat of your truck.
Yeah, we have 3.
You're not keeping them all in there.
Nope. Jesus, that thing's strong. It's strong, dog.
So this is what we're doing.
This is what we're doing.
Yeah, on a Friday night, dog. Ferta boys.
Fertile boys?
Not fertile boys.
Yeah, dude, we don't care about fertile boys. Sounds really bad.
I'm not the one that said it.
Oh, somebody screwed up. No. Careful. That doesn't look sanded. That's going to bow out. I totally know what I'm talking about.
Want a quarter?
I don't need a quarter. I'm good, thanks. You owe me a lot more than a quarter. Okay, so you guys are not very interesting at all. So, there's the fish tank. Here's Jasmine's unicorn picture she's still working on. Jasmine ditched us once again for Grandma's because Grandma's in Texas and she didn't want her Aunt Shelly to be at the house by herself, even though, yeah, it was just an excuse to stay at Grandma and her Aunt Shelly's tonight, so. But my mommy did get to Texas just fine today, and I got to talk to them a little while ago. And
Zach, right?
Because I need to sand that down just a hair.
there's like so much stuff flying in the air, and it's like all sawdust. You can just see it zooming past the camera. So, alright then, I'll leave you boys to your wood box. Alright, hello vlog. It is Saturday, March 2nd, and Rob and Avery and I are headed off to go do something. I don't know what. Jasmine's at her grandma's with her Aunt Shelly. Copyrighted. Avery's coming along with us. The little girl I babysat for Mia, her birthday is Monday, so I think we're going to go and try and find her a little birthday present, and if I feel compelled to vlog while we're shopping, then you shall come along with us. Check out all this snow. We got even more. Last night we got, what, 5.5 inches it said this morning? Another 5.5 inches since yesterday.
Yeah.
But you can tell the temperature warmed up because the middle of the road's already slushy.
Well, it is March 2nd, so hopefully that happens soon.
Yeah, well, actually we're supposed to drop Monday to negative 14 degrees.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's what I like. That's what I prefer. Negative 14, that's like summertime. Break out the shorts, let's go swimming.
This here is a tractor plow.
It's a farm-all.
It's a farm-all tractor plow.
If it ain't red, leave it in the shed. What am I doing? I don't want to go there.
Why are you going to the gas station?
I'm not going to the gas station. Oh, I was going to go to the gas station, actually. Some sweet.
What were you saying?
Look at these cool dude headphones. For cool dudes. Cool dudes. Not this guy. That. Flufferton, what are you doing?
Oh my goodness.
What?
Best Buy. I should have never came here because now I want that.
This is a keyboard, Mandy. This is what they use to type messages on the PC for. You can play games with this.
Keyboard sucks.
And, you know.
You guys can just leave me alone.
These are laptops. Hey, where are you going? Don't run away from us.
Going right back here because
These are called cameras.
this is the camera of all cameras. It's the G7X Mark II. And that right there is the price.
This right here.
You should definitely touch the screen on that too, because that
Well,
is
you know what?
awesome.
It's a touch screen, so that is what you're supposed to do. See?
Oh.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Yeah, Mac Daddy.
Mac Daddy, oh boy. I've never been called that and probably never will.
Hey, look at me vlogging. What are you doing?
Oh, no.
Dude, put that down before you hurt yourself.
Take a picture of you.
Do not take a picture. There's no memory card in there. You can't.
I'm taking pictures of you.
I really want this camera.
It has an internal memory that you can take pictures on.
On the Canon G7X?
Yes, all of those.
No, they do not.
Yes, they do.
No, they do not.
Really?
No.
I beg to differ on that, ma'am.
There is no internal memory.
There's no internal memory.
No, you need... Or maybe there's like such a tiny amount. No, I don't even
It's
think you
just
can...
for, yeah.
You can't even take a picture or anything because there's no memory card inserted. Bam, sir.
Bam, sir.
Bam, sir.
Look at the kitty cat.
But they...
Look at the kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Look at our son on his phone. And his digital mobile media device.
You should work here.
No.
Mr. Geek Squad.
Nope.
Sorry, my boob just hit your phone.
They don't make enough here.
Alright, let's get out of this store.
wait.
What? Do
Are
you guys
you
feel
looking that
awkward
up?
that I'm vlogging you in public?
Negative. In
I do.
public?
In public? Alright, you guys, come on, let's go.
No, I actually.
You're not getting a video card or anything.
I really
so-
wanted those
I'm gonna buy
selfie
one.
Canon printer sheets too, but you can get them way cheaper online.
How are you going to buy
What are you
one?
gonna buy?
You ain't got the cash
Yeah,
full.
I do. Yeah, I do for the 7, 8.
For the what?
You need another video card
He
for.
doesn't really need another video card. He wants one to be super cool. And I understand that.
Dude, you're already super cool.
You're like
Remember
the coolest
Avery Gamer
Avery.
Pants? Avery Gamer Thighs?
What about Avery fingerboards?
What about Avery Rubik's Cube?
What about Avery 2x2 Rubik's Cube?
What about Avery Mechanical Keyboard, dude?
What about Avery poop in the bathtub? Dude.
Dude. Avery. Dude. Go gamer. Go gamer. Go gamer.
Watch this.
You're gonna race me to this.
What are we doing?
This is how cool our son is.
You're having a typing test at Best Buy?
Yeah, really, he's
And you're
a
having
typing
issues.
test. No, he's having a typing test with Nirvana lyrics.
Come as you are, as you were, as I
you guys stop?
want you
Seriously,
to
no one-
be.
God, you guys are weird.
Sorry, Avery.
This keyboard is terrible. It's so touchy.
I got a comment.
This thing is terrible.
Do you want me to just do this?
Dude, you're gonna get wrecked, son.
Don't. Roll your side fist now.
You don't want me to do it because I will have like
You
two.
get
Yeah, I will hunt and pack that down.
you get this one that's that
Okay.
small.
Don't
Really?
Don't video me though.
Okay.
I can only video my hands.
I will video the hands.
How do I just start, Avery?
Yeah, you just start. There it is.
Oh, this keyboard does stinky
It's
poo.
so weird.
Why don't it let me go?
There it is. Rocking it out.
Avery, stop. Why won't it? Okay, this is not Avery's fault.
You're not even typing anything. It's just
Look,
typing.
it doesn't let you.
You know why it's doing this? Because you guys aren't anime fans.
I love anime.
I like anime. Typo
Okay.
alert.
Okay, let's go to the right one. It didn't mean you're gonna race.
You're totally rocking that purse, dude. Avery, give me my purse. This is. You think we're embarrassing?
Yeah, that was.
On out. You go first. Test your mics. Why are we testing our typing? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, okay. Making sure you know. What am I supposed to click? Type. Click. Wait, ready? Go. Wait, yeah, click it. That didn't do nothing. Okay. I can't do this with my finger, with my purse. Right. I feel weird because I'm not sitting down. Terrible. Absolutely trash. Garbage. I'm not used to this keyboard. I am not either. Can I help? You like it? Contrast anyway. That'd be so cool. It'd be even more cooler if NVIDIA sponsored us. That'd be cool. What do we check? Come on, man. We lost. So bad. Okay, ready? Now vlog me doing this. What was mine? Actually, you were almost in second place. It was 51. 46. No, 51. 51 per word from me. 54, we're in second place. 54. You can't stop. It won't stop. It's stopping already. See, I could finish that. Yeah, but you didn't. Oh, that's not fair. Dude, we can do this at home. This is ridiculous. Do it in the middle. That's fine. No. No, you go. I used to be a car, you know. A Yugo? Yeah, Yugo. Yugoslavian car. They banned him in the 90s. Yeah. We're just fussing on the computer here. Oh, come on, Slick Rick. What's happening? Yeah, Trick Pony. Let's go. Come on, Ghetto Fabulous. Mister, I got a blue shirt on. Mister, the back of my hair is standing up. Mister, I draw hearts on my fingers at school. Yes. Mister. Mister, I'm wearing winter boots because I'm so cold. A lot of typos in this there, son. So mine was over 51 when I looked up there when I was actually typing decent before you guys told me that I had quit. I never said anything. I was not a part of this. But Avery. But dude, 51 was horrible. I do 70 plus words per minute. You got to do 70 plus, and this is terrible for me. Yeah, Avery usually does pretty good on those. So do I, but I do better, so yeah, you guys. He says he's doing one more. He wants to prove the viewers of YouTube. Right? I'm not recording this. Yes. Oh my god, nobody cares if you can type on a computer in Best Buy. Everybody cares. Nobody cares. First mistake one. First mistake two. There's a third one. Please type game. You should be saying please type fingers. Come on, big shoots. Third of boys. Nah. Some dirty dangles. Some dirty dangles. There we go. Look at him. It's my little soldier going at her. I did. You misspelled finger. No. Yeah, you just still... You're still almost in first place. You were in first place there for a bit. Nice. So this is saying 45 minutes per hour. 45 words per...
Stop beep.
See, now with the G7, when I got into this light, it would have automatically changed it.
Color correction.
Color correction.
Biatch.
And low light. Avery Allen! Why are you laughing?
Come on.
I don't like this nose ring I just got either. It looks like there's a booger in my nose because it does. Is that a booger?
Why is there a GoPro in this person's car? This person's a vlogger too.
Can you tell? Can you see? I got this little nose ring from Walmart. See, this is what I hate. I put my glasses on. All the lights bounce off my glasses and make me look even more cray-cray than I am.
That's hard to do, Mom.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Focus on my nose ring. I can't see. Is it focusing?
Skeet skeet.
Anyway, I got that from Walmart, and apparently I don't like it because it just looks like you have a booger hanging out your nose because it doesn't connect. I can totally not use that footage because you can see all the hairs up inside my nose hole.
Well, see, that's what's supposed to be inside the nose is hair.
No, I don't want
the natural filter of the.
I don't want to be natural.
Nostril region.
I want to be.
You don't want to be natural.
I don't want to be natural.
Wow.
Pothole. Okay, this city needs some flippin' road improvements, people. Ridiculous. Unless they're gonna freaking buy us some new tires every time we come through here. You see that? So, we're supposed to get the other kids food.
The other kids?
But we went to Walmart, got completely skunked at Walmart, and found nothing for Mia, which just pees me off, because really, Walmart? How do you not find Elmo at Walmart?
Yeah.
Elmo is a registered trademark of Sesame Street, so it's probably in a higher end store.
Well, I'm not a higher end girl, so...
That might be a little alarming.
What's alarming?
You?
I thought you said Slarmin Armin for a second there.
Slarmin Armin. What was that freaking video about Akbar, the corn cob?
Yeah, Akbar, the corn.
Today?
No, it was.
No, I went
in a
cornfield
cornfield
today.
today.
Akbar.
And I was like 21. I can't remember the song, but I know it's really funny.
I went in a cornfield today.
We might have to revamp that real quick.
You ain't revamping nothing, son.
Don't play it. I'll get copyrighted, I'm sure.
Oh, what is that person doing?
I don't know, but that was a red light, Jack.
Oh my God, I can't stand that.
God, people, I swear. Should we go into the goodest of wit? No, let's just go into the Barnes of Noble. I don't think I'm coming in, though.
I am going in there for some Lorena McKennitt. What?
Nothing. I didn't even vlog in the Dollar Tree, so technically the only place I vlogged was Best Buy, and it was frickin' Turbo Nerdo here frickin' typing. Love you, Apes.
Welcome for the content.
Turbo Nerdo. Never heard that before.
Cause I just made it up on Petco.
Cool pets.
I'm gonna play with the fizzle ferrets.
Dad
What?
doesn't smell the greatest in here.
Did you fart again?
I did not do this.
You guys, seriously.
I did not do this. Avery did it.
I didn't do it.
Avery's hatching dumplings again in the car. Oh, come on, turning into
Jasmine.
half-price books. Danger, danger.
You're not going into
I'm
half-price
not.
books.
I'm waiting for this person.
I think we might come into Barnes. Avery, you coming into Barnes? You coming into Barnes with
You should
me?
be coming into Barnes there, boy.
Yeah, bud.
Figure it out.
Stop.
This is like, oh my God. Okay, I have to insert
I'm
frickin' SpongeBob dolphin noises there.
That's gonna be really funny.
We almost died again. Mother. Don't know how to drive. That was a horrible dolphin.
That was a turkey dolphin. Because I'm... Oh, what are you...
What is going on, people? I'm not okay. I think we need to go home. What is wrong with you?
I don't know what the turkey dolphin noise you just made, but I'm pretty sure
I'm so
they
not
don't...
leaving that in here. That's getting edited out.
Why?
Maybe they
That
didn't
should
wanna
not
see
be
the
edited out.
Edited it out.
I almost want to hear that again to make sure it was even real.
Want to take a selfie with your mommy? No. Why not? Hey, look it. It's Barnes and Noble. Welcome to the wonderful world of books. Let's go look at the toys. Wanna go look at the toys with me? Come on. Oh, there's the Gudetama. These are so cute. There's a Gudetama Magic 8 Ball. Dude. Oh, there's Mario stuff. And a pink Yoshi. I kind of want him. Why does that looks like a, what do you call those guys? Not Yoshi, We could buy Holly a Harry Potter wand. They have like whatever puzzle things.
Question mark.
What?
What is he?
What? I heardeth my name. Excuse us. There's no one back here again. Look at, they have all these other like whatever puzzles.
It's already open.
What is this one?
Should I solve it real quick?
How is it even different?
Patterns for blind
It's
people.
just got, oh,
It's for blind people.
Tactile cube. I see.
Yeah, here. I'll solve
That's
it.
pretty awesome.
Wait, is this a 3x3?
What about these pyramids? Oh, look at this
Those
one.
are hard.
A ghost cube.
Those are also hard.
What about these eggs?
Is this a 3x3? 3. I think I'm sorry. I'm just not smart. I'll mix it up for the village. Tell the village I'm gonna solve this for him real quick.
Look at the Rubik's Race game down there.
Yeah.
No, people. It has nothing to do with solving Rubik's Cube, though. Yeah, so yeah, solving Rubik's Cube. Okay, ready? Is it vlog cube? Is this ready? Come in the... Go, hurry up! Okay, Oh, it's Dad. I was like, what are you doing, dude?
What's that Rubik's Race down there?
It does not pertain to anything what the real thing is.
What are you doing?
Solving me a Rubik's Cube.
That's easy enough for you. Oh, hey, Avery, look at the 4x4.
I want that. It's called the Professor Cube.
What is this? The X Cube Master.
What is that?
This is for serious diehard fans like yourself.
I want
I
one.
don't even think this is made by Rubik's. 4 layers. 3. Wow.
I want the Professor Cube. This one.
This is it, Mandy. No. This is it, right here.
The Ghost Cube?
This is exactly what we had. Remember I was telling you?
That's the one you were talking about?
This is the one I've been trying to find for years.
Did you get it?
Because it makes a perfect square, but then when you mess it up...
Oh, you have to get it back to the square?
Yeah, it's game over, fellas. That's game over.
Ferta, boys.
Right. Look at that. There's a pyramid one.
Oh, sorry, right down there on the bottom shelf.
Well, I
That's
had to
on the
remove
unity.
I had to remove some stuff here.
Keep your eyes on unity.
Why don't you figure it out there?
Miami.
So that wasn't a Rubik's thing that we were looking at Walmart then.
No, he wasn't. Butternut Road. Wait a minute, Charlie. Dude, that's cool.
The mall cube.
Molly Cube.
Yeah. You're pretty cool. What's Blocus?
It's Blockus. Thank you very much, not Blockus. We got the look.
Ooh, that's a good song to print.
She's got the look. What video did you get? What record did you get?
Oh, Lorraine Mechanics to visit.
The Irish singer?
As if there was anything better.
The Visit.
Yeah, it's a limited edition.
What? It's probably like $40.
Yep.
What? Ready to solve it? I've been ready. Oh, I can do it any better, mother. Please move down.
He is pretty good at
Please
this.
move down. Please move down, Loretta. I would mess up for the village. Oh, just kidding. I'm too good for the village to mess up. Give me a card!
Show them.
So, just standing here at Barnes, he just did the tactile cube of
Rubik's. And dropped it.
On purpose.
That was on purpose.
No, see,
So, Avery, this one you have to make back
How much
into a
does it cost?
cube, your dad said. $19.95.
you have to
What is this?
put this back the exact way you found her, bud. And that
$19.95.
is just like
Why are
that.
you so overpriced?
See? That's how you're supposed to put it back.
This is probably so easy to solve.
There we go.
Oh, that don't look easy there, bud.
This is also 40. This is also
Big
40.
shoots.
That's also $40.
This is.
Yeah.
This
This is 19 too.
How would you
Okay,
make
I'm
this
leaving them.
This is like genius.
Avery's always wanted one of these. Avery. Yeah, it's a hemoglobin.
Smithsonian.
Do you remember these, Mandy? If you put a gum wrapper on them and you touch the metal, it shocks you.
Yep. Avery always wanted one of these.
I love these things.
They're awesome.
These
Baby Teddy Ruxpin, but he's got creeper eyes. He's freaking me out. Okay.
I always wanted a Teddy Ruxpin when I was little.
You've wanted a lot of things.
I really wanted a Teddy Ruxpin though.
There's nothing here that I could find for Mia either, and this is like bumming me out. Is that Tetris game here?
Probably not.
Here.
Ooh, laser maze? That
I
was
got
pretty
this
cool.
at the Dollar Tree for $1. Just
What
saying.
is it here?
15. Look at this.
You brought that in, dude?
Roar. Look at this.
They don't sell 2x2s. They don't sell like 2x2s.
Well, who cares? It's his.
Hello, would you guys
How
like,
cute is
maybe like
this?
to try and
Your free sample, what was it called?
I have no idea. But it was really good.
But look at how
Pretty
cute this
on that,
is.
so you might as well go try it.
Are you having fun with that?
Yeah, I like him.
That is the first time I've ever had a latte.
Did you like it, a latte?
That's more lame as parking with the parking.
These are from Fortnite, Avery. You want some little Fortnite friends?
That was actually really good.
Fortnite's for furries.
For furries, really.
Look at, I love those though, Avery. I don't know what those are, but I love them. It's a llama. Oh, this is my favorite area right here.
Yeah, and we got it for you.
Anybody ever wants to know where I get all my Ruck These journals from? It's right here. And they have so many cute ones. Oh, this is the one we're doing together that I haven't done in forever. But it's $10 here. And it's tiny and it's awesome. Can you quit with the bag? But they have a lot of really awesome books if you like those interactive wreck it, writing it books. What are you doing? God. Are you gonna make it? Ooh, they got origami books.
This is getting bad in here.
Yeah, we should probably go.
Dad, here, take it.
I don't want that either.
They're cheap. Might as well go grab one real quick.
No. I'm like obsessed with this book right here. And I want to buy it. But it's $40.
Melvin.
I've seen the Rick and Morty ones.
Right here.
My favorite thing is monsters. This book, you guys, is so cool. Like the drawings. Avery, you want to help me?
His name.
It is, I want this book. Oh, can you move your hand? I love these drawings. I think this book is so cool. Oh, I saw a booby.
I saw another booby. There's a booby.
Oh, go. Okay, that's enough. Anyway, I really, really, really like this book, and I want it so bad. Okay, I think it is time to leave now, because we're going to get in trouble in here. Are you, seriously, you guys?
I did not say that. Your son is the...
Alright, yeah, we're leaving now. Time favorite place in this entire store. Over yonder here by the artist tools. And all the journals. They got Moleskine
How can you seriously say
and this
that?
back wall. Oh, I just want this all in my house. I want all of this
This.
in my house.
My nurse.
You say Merce? That's terrible.
Oh, this is really cute too.
Merce.
It's pink. Ooh, it writes pink too. Oh, I love all these journals.
So what are we looking at here? Some
Journals.
Faber-Castell? Ooh, I like these pens. I really like these pens. Don't you have pens like that, Mandy?
I just want every single one of these journals. The ones I really like. Oh, they're gone. I can show you.
Ooh, I did one.
I love these leather ones. And then like these.
Oh, that's actually pretty.
That tie with the leather. And
That's actually real leather too.
Yeah. I think these are so cool.
I would call those pretty hip. It's pretty hip.
Yep. Cool, yep.
Oh, they have those here. I didn't even know they had those.
Do you remember Fripp Jilly and
Hip taller?
Fripp Jillian hip taller. Okay, let's go.
Oh, shall I?
Do we need a map of Wisconsin?
No.
Are you sure?
No, because if we're going to go somewhere, I don't want to be anywhere in Wisconsin.
Amen to that, sister.
Yeah, the Cold War. Explain to me. Two main culprits in the Cold War. Nikita Khrushchev, Jonathan.
Oh, I love this story. Oh my god,
Oh,
I
is
love
he a
these. These are
culprit of the Cold War?
gelatos.
Because John Kennedy.
Okay, you checked out already, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. We are leaving the barns.
And you'll have
Russia and the space race. And NASA. This is what NASA? Did you say NASA or NASA? Almost just fell on my butt. So anyway, yeah. This is what I always have to listen to with these two. NASA, Russia, space race, Deep Space Mo effing 9.
Did you say Deep Space Nine?
Yeah.
You Trekkie. You're a Trekkie.
Okay, so Parker's calling. He's starving. Let us go home, people.
Oh, we're gonna have to go the old way then.
Whatever.